PayPal Credit is a line of credit offered by PayPal that allows users to make purchases and pay for them later. To use PayPal Credit, you must have a PayPal account and be approved for the credit line. The application process is straightforward. You simply need to log in to your PayPal account, click on the PayPal Credit option, and follow the prompts to apply. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as some financial information. Once you are approved, you can use PayPal Credit to make purchases online or in stores. Wherever PayPal is accepted, you will receive a credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can spend using PayPal Credit. You will have the option to pay for your purchases in full at the end of the month, or you can choose to make monthly payments. If you choose to make monthly payments, you will be charged interest on your outstanding balance. The interest rate for PayPal Credit varies, but it is typically around 20% per year. You will also be charged a late fee if you miss a payment, which can range from $10 to $40. To avoid interest charges and late fees, it is best to pay your balance in full each month. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that your payments are made on time. It is also important to note that PayPal Credit is a type of credit, and it can affect your credit score. Making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization ratio low can help to improve your credit score. In summary, PayPal Credit is a convenient way to make purchases and pay for them later. To use it effectively, you should make on-time payments, keep your credit utilization ratio low, and avoid interest charges and late fees. By following these best practices, you can use PayPal Credit to make purchases with confidence. PayPal Credit can be a useful tool for making online purchases, but it is essential to use it responsibly and make smart financial decisions. By understanding how PayPal Credit works and using it wisely, you can enjoy the benefits of convenient and flexible payments.